to introduce our next teenpreneur.
Thank you, Nitesh. So today our teenpreneurs have shattered a lot of myths and a lot of prejudices, right? But at some point of time, we all are guilty of typecasting the teenagers, right? So whenever we think of teenagers, a typical view of them immersed into their mobile phones or binging on web series after web series comes into our mind. But our next teenpreneur is a perfect example of how high they can rise if they channelize their energies in the right way. It brings me great pleasure to introduce our versatile teenpreneur, Shreya Kulkarni from Pune. Why versatile? Because at this young age, she's already a national level athlete and a trained classical singer. And all this while being excellent at her school studies. Don't you think she's a perfect role model for all the teenage girls rather than those Instagram wannabes? So Shreya, all yours.
Thank you, Coach. Before I start, let me ask you, all those who are excited and pumped up, give me a double thumbs up. And before we dive into my project, I'm going to ask you a few questions and keep your answers ready in your mind. What do you think when you see a Fair and Lovely ad? What does your mind say when you hear the lyric? Tenu kala chashma jachta hai gore mukhde te. And what do you say when you see a size 0 actress? Answers ready? Lastly, what message do you think a teenage girl is getting from all of this? Every 100 minutes, a teen is taking his or her own life in some part of the globe. The main reasons are sadness, low self-esteem, and a negative self-image. Teens feel looks are everything. So in order to have a 0 figure or a slimmer body, girls starve themselves and they exercise more than they should. They compare their appearance with that of actresses, and that impacts their self-confidence. But not only teens, even small girls and even adults face this. How many of us here have passed on eating gulab jamuns, barfis, and all those sweet delicacies just because by eating them, you did not want to put your muscular or slim body at risk? Raise your hands. See, almost all of us. But let us all think, is it really that important to have a slim body? Teen girls feel it is. Teen girls becoming anorexic and developing eating disorders for Instagram is too common these days. Some have even shared their stories on YouTube and said that they have had to be hospitalized due to insufficient eating. As a teen girl, I have been through this. And when I think of it in a broader way, I realize that so many girls are criticizing themselves and compromising on their health as we speak right now, at this moment. How many of you have gone shopping for your clothes? Raise your hands. And while on that spree, how many of you have looked in the mirror after trying the clothes and said, I look good in this? I have. And how many of you have said, I feel good in this? Unconsciously, we all are seeking others' approval. Hi everyone, I am Shreya Kulkarni from Pune and I am currently studying in 9th grade. The values I associate with the most are challenging yourself, passion, leadership, respect, and achievement. When I was around 7 or 8 years old, my cousin sister and I used to go to our grandparents' house every summer vacation. Once, we were watching television and suddenly a Fair and Lovely ad popped up. We had seen that ad quite a few times before that. And influenced by it, we wanted to be fair, like those models. So we went and bought them. We were very young at that time, so we put it on our faces and we were overjoyed. Of course, it did not make any difference in reality, but we were under the misconception that we were more fair now. From that day, I was under the myth that looks make up a person. Fast forward to 6th standard. It was the first time my classmates and I were writing an actual exam in an actual exam hall. All these years, I had been that shy girl in class who did not speak much. But in that exam, I had the highest marks in my class. So everyone wanted to talk to me. And suddenly, after that achievement, I felt confident and I felt important. That day, I went home to my mom and said, Mom, everything has changed now. That was the day the myth I was living in broke. I realized that it is the character and achievements that truly defines a person. In today's world, so many girls are still living in that myth. They are trying to be someone who they are not just because they are extremely conscious about how others perceive them. This not only impacts their self confidence but also their self image and self acceptance. This is where I want to help them. This is the reason I chose to help teenage girls be confident about themselves and have a positive self image. You all must be asking, how am I going to do this? Right? Introducing Teen Queen. I am going to organize a 5-day WhatsApp challenge where for 5 continuous days I will post challenges for them to do. These challenges will have a motive like improving their self image and increasing their self confidence. Any teenage girl from 12 to 19 years of age can join. My goal is to impact at least 100 teenage girls. This challenge will be followed by a webinar. After the challenge, they themselves will love and be confident about themselves. They will be the queens they have always been. I want them to know that it is the character, achievements, confidence, and charisma that truly defines a person and makes him or her admirable and a role model to others, and not the way they look, their skin tone, or their body size. So many examples are right there. Sundar Pichai, Elon Musk. They all focused on their careers and their objectives. So help me achieve this goal by spreading the word in your network and informing all those children and teenage girls who you know that Teen Queen is here. Help me make a difference. You can contact me and email me at this email ID and connect with me on LinkedIn. Thank you so much for your time.
Superb, guys. Honestly speaking, after the first 1 minute now, I forgot that I'm listening to a pitch. I actually was listening to what she was saying. Because the way Shreya, you asked those questions now, I started questioning how we think still today. Okay, amazing Shreya, amazing voice, soothing voice, I must say. Amazing enrolling questions. The way you enrolled in the first very 1 minute, everybody got into the pitch. Great introduction and an awesome story to share. Superb, Shreya. So Shreya's parents, how was your experience? Can't hear you guys. Can't hear. You guys can run to Shreya's room and
He's still speaking, Nitesh.
I can't hear you.
Yeah, can't hear you. You can go to Shreya's room.
Shreya, are you on a mobile or laptop?
Laptop coach.
लैपटॉप लेके जाओ उनके पास.
Hello.
Yes.
Okay. So just before this pitch, she was practicing, and one last minute suggestion was, sorry, to give some examples. The last one, I mean, she spoke about Elon Musk and Sundar Pichai.
Sundar Pichai. Yeah, that was not there in Friday's pitch.
Yeah. So the way she actually accepted and did that on the last minute, and many times, I mean, I see that no last minute changes. Okay, so I like that much. I mean, the most basically, I mean, the other pitch was good, but this, what I mean, procrastination for better delivery, that is something which I like most about this one. I mean, typically I see that no, I mean, no last minute changes. This is what I have prepared, and people are reluctant. So that's the basically best part. So
Super.
is open
Thank you, Shreya's dad.
to accept suggestions. Thank you.
Have a glass of water, please.